On behalf of the city government of Legazpi, headed by our beloved Mayor, Carmen Geraldine V. Rosal, and the 16th Sangguniang Panlungsod of Legazpi City as its presiding officer, I would like to express my full and unwavering support to DCGB's launching of its new radio program entitled Kaya, Kayang-Kaya, anchored by your Vice President for Programming, Mr. Henry Maceda, which will be aired every Saturday from 1 to 3 in the afternoon. This radio program shall tackle issues and concerns on waste segregation and recovery of recyclable waste materials as a way to help in protecting and preserving our environment. This is also an offshoot of the MOA signing held last November 20, 2022, where they forged a mutual partnership agreement together with our local government unit, DepEd Legazpi City Division, Bicol University, and the Legazpi City Earth Savers Club for the continuous implementation and development of the city's environmental programs and advocacies. Due to the rapid and continuous increase in the population, the amount of waste that is being generated is increasing day by day, thus affecting the lives of the millions of people inhabiting our planet. Waste management is important because it saves the environment from the toxic effects of inorganic and biodegradable elements present in waste. Its prime objective is to reduce the amount of unusable materials and to avert potential health and environmental hazards. Mindful of these hazards that arise from the indiscriminate waste disposal, the local government unit of Legazpi City, through its legislative arm, the Sangguniang Panlungsod, enacted an ordinance number 0017-2009 entitled An Ordinance Providing for an Integrated Ecological Solid Waste Management, prescribing fees for solid waste management services, declaring certain acts prohibited and providing penalties, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes or otherwise known as the Legazpi City Integrated Ecological Solid Waste Management Ordinance of 2009. One of the provisions embodied under this ordinance is Article 4, which provides that the classification of solid waste are of three kinds: biodegradable or compostable, recyclable or reusable, residual and or special waste, and that the segregation of waste shall be mandatory to all residents of the city, including transient visitors and those who conduct business within the city. What I would like to emphasize is that while we may already have a set of rules concerning solid waste management, issues and concerns, this new radio program, Kaya, Kayang-Kaya of DCGB-AM, will surely be a great help in disseminating information regarding the status of solid waste management in the city and hopefully encourage everyone to support and practice waste segregation for a clean and healthy Legazpi City. Again, let me reiterate my wholehearted support to your program Kaya, Kayang-Kaya, and also my warmest congratulations to the men and women of DCGBAM, most especially to my good friend, Mr. Glenn Barcelon, the Executive Vice President and Station Manager. Sa Indo po, Gabos, Diyos mabalos, as in, mabuhay kita, Gabos.